Moana and the new boat. One sunny morning on Motunui Island, Moana noticed the old canoes were becoming too worn for long voyages. With her heart set on exploring the ocean once again, she decided to build a new boat, one that could carry her farther and safer than ever before. With Grandma Tala's spirit guiding her and the village supporting her with materials, Moana began the construction. Maui appeared, offering his magical fishhook to help lift heavy logs. "Let's make this boat legendary," he boomed. Day by day, they shaped the boat with care. Moana painted the sails with vibrant ocean symbols. Little Pua watched excitedly, while Haihei pecked at coconuts nearby. When the boat was complete, it gleamed under the sun. "This is for future voyagers," Moana said proudly. She sailed beyond the reef once more, her heart full of joy, wind in her hair, and dreams of new islands waiting to be found.